Students, in this session we'll continue with question number 6 and we'll understand sum number 6, 7, 8. Okay, not 9. 9 is somehow it's not correctly printed, so I will give you the right question for that. Okay, now how to solve sum number 6? Now you see there are two numbers are there, 297 into 303. So you just cannot just multiply 297 and 303 and give the answer. As we know that in question number 6 they have asked you have to use identities. Fine. So now you have to know which identities I have to follow or I have to apply here to solve this sum. Now when you see this type of sum is there, one is smaller number, one is larger number, you always concentrate on the larger number first. Now you try to split this number. Suppose this is an into sign is here, split it. How to split it? Suppose how to split, if I ask you to split 43, how will you write? 40 plus 3. If I ask you to split 64, how will you write? 60 plus 4, isn't it? Now I am asking to split this number. So if I do this, then the answer will be 300 plus 3. Okay, this 300 plus 3, the very similar two numbers, we will write it here, but in the minus form, and you will check whether it's matching or not. See, it's matching. 300 minus 3 is what? 297. Is matching. Okay, so in this type of sum you always concentrate on the larger number and split that number first, and you maintain the same numbers, that is 303, but only the operation will change. That is, out here it is plus sign, but here it will be minus sign. The rest part, that is 303, that the position of the numbers will be all same, only the operation will change. Okay, now if I consider 300 as A and 3 as B, similarly 300 as A and 3 as B, so what is this identity? A minus B, A plus B. So A minus B and A plus B is what? A square minus B square. So the question is given in this format, you have to write the answer in this format, that is A square minus B square. So we'll write it down. So 300 minus 3 and 300 plus 3 would be equals to A square minus B square. What is A? 300. And what is B? 3 square. Okay, so 300 into 300 is 90,000 minus 9. Now you will subtract it. Minus 9. Okay, so this will be 1 9 9 9 8. Okay, so answer is 8 9 9 9 1. 89,991 is your answer. Okay, so let's move on to sub number 7. This is sub number 7. Again, it's very similar to question number 6. Again, you will target which number? Greater number. And greater number is what? 82. So we will write into 82 can be written as 80 plus 2. Very similarly, we will write it here, but with different operation. That is 80 plus 2 is here. So we will write 80 minus 2, because 80 minus 2 is what? 78. Again, we will apply the same identity. That is A minus B, A plus B is equals to A square minus B square. So 80 minus 2, 80 plus 2, in place of A, what is there? 80, and in place of B, 2 is there. So A square means 80 square and B square means 2 square. So this will be 6400 and this will be 4. So answer will be 6396. Okay, so this is the solution of sum number 7. Now let's see sum number 8. Sum number 8 is 8.9 whole square. So what is the nearest number to 8.9? It is 9 only. So how to write? See, how to split this number. Remember the first sum we did, 71 square. So what was the nearest number? 70. So 70 plus 1. In the same way we have to break this. So 8.9. So nearest whole number to 8.9 is 9. So if we write 9, as because 9 is greater than 8.9, so we have to reduce some number, that is 0.1. So if from 9, if I reduce or if I subtract 0.1, then I will get this answer, 0.9. So 8.9 can be written as 9.0 minus 0.9. Now you consider this 9 as A and 0.1 as B. So what is that identity that we will follow? A minus B whole square, that is A square minus 2AB plus B square. Now what is there in place of A? 9. 9.0 is 9 only, okay, and B is 0.1. Now we just put the values. Now 9.0 minus 0.1 whole square. Now in place of A, what we have to write? 9. So 9 square minus 2 into A is what? 9. B is what? 0.1 plus 0.1 whole square. So what is 9? 9 nines are 81. Now if you multiply this, that is 2 nines are 18. 18 ones are 18. 18 into 0.1 is 1.8. Okay, and this would be 0.01. Okay, now just you have to solve it. So how to solve this? See, 81, first you do the addition, 81 plus this. So 81 00 plus 0.01. So if you add it, so your answer will come this. Okay, now you have to subtract what? 1.8. So your answer will come 1, 2, this will be 9, and it will be 79.21. So this is your required answer. Okay. And for this session, we will do this 3 sum only, that is 6, 7, and 8. Question number 9 you don't have to do, students. Okay. Thank you and take care.